Friends, in today's video, I am going to show you a trick that will completely fix your problem of WhatsApp messages not being sent. Imagine this, you send a message to your friend, just a simple hi, but after sending it, you notice there's no tick mark appearing. Your Wi-Fi is on, mobile data is working, yet the message just won't go through. Well, today I'll show you an easy and effective way to solve this problem step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, don't skip any part, because at the end I'll share a small but very important setting you must do, otherwise it won't work. First, go to your phone's settings. There you'll find an option called Apps, Apps Management or Manage Apps. If you're using a Redmi phone, it will show as Apps. And if you're using Samsung or any other brand, you'll see Manage Apps. Go straight there and tap on the app list option. Now scroll down and find WhatsApp, then tap on it. And if you can't find Manage Apps, no worries. Let me show you a shortcut. Go to your home screen, then press and hold the WhatsApp icon for 2-3 seconds. You'll see some options appear from there. Tap on App Info. You'll be taken directly to WhatsApp's settings page. Now scroll down a bit and look for an option called Permissions. Tap on it, and if any permission is off, turn it on. Make sure all permissions are properly enabled, especially data usage and background data. Now, come out of settings and turn on flight mode for about 5 seconds. After that, turn it off again. Then check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Now open WhatsApp and send a message again. You'll immediately see the tick mark appear, which means your message has been sent successfully and everything's working fine. See, that's it friends. If this trick helped you, don't forget to give a like. And to get more useful videos like this, subscribe to the channel.